My enemies have succeeded. Whoa, my phone.
Wow.
This is not funny. Guys, all the milkshake literally on the floor. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delicious. Before I start today's video, I just want to say thank you to all my welcome to the family. And if you're not new, you know how we do it. Keep supporting your goal. And also, if you're not new and you have been watching all my content, please feel free to press that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you don't get to miss anything. Okay, so guys, let's just get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys five simple different types of milkshake recipe. If you're a milkshake lover like I am, well, this video is for you. So stay tuned and enjoy it. By the way, guys, I know a lot of you are stuck on Oreo milkshake. Like, come on, there's so much you can do with milkshake, especially in the comfort of your home. So I'm gonna show you guys some twists, okay? And my twist might be boring, so you can actually add your own twist and make it how you like it. So stay tuned, and I hope you like my recipe. So yes, let's get into it. So yeah, guys, our first milkshake is gonna be a Mars milkshake. I'm going to use one. Depending on how many you're making for how many people, you can use as many as you want. But I'm literally gonna use just one Mars bar. Just break it into pieces, put it in the blender. And I also got a Mars cookie. So I'm gonna use 3 of Mars cookie inside. Next step is I'm gonna add my ice cream. I'm using vanilla ice cream. So I don't have scoop, so I'm gonna use spoon. So that's it, 3 spoons, huge spoons. So after I've got all of this in, so as you can see, we got the Mars bar here, we got the Mars cookies here, and we got the ice cream here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our milk in. Okay, so I've got this much of milk in. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna blend it. Gonna blend everything together, okay? As you can see, it's not as thick as I want it to be because I like my milkshake really thick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a bit more ice cream inside and then blend it again. So I've added a bit more ice cream inside and I'm just gonna blend it. There we go, guys, it's all blended. You can blend it as smooth as you want it to be. And I'm just gonna pour it into my glass. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Voila. There you go. Mars milkshake. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna top it up with some cream. Okay, get yourself one of these topping. And yeah, just decorate it amazing. There we go. And now we've got ourselves a Mars milkshake. Cheers, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our next milkshake. Got your blender washed and clean. And my next milkshake is gonna be Dime. Guys, Dime Bar is my favorite chocolate of all time. I fell in love with this when I was in Denmark, and I'm obsessed with Dime Bar, by the way. So moving on, we are going to make a Dime Bar milkshake. So I'm gonna use 2 just because it's my favorite. Okay, I got to be extra on that shit. So we're gonna use 2 of Dime Bar. Break into pieces. And I got myself a Dime Bar ice cream. So what I'm going to use just one of this. Now I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla ice cream inside. Just about 2 large spoon. And what we're gonna do is add our milk in. That much of milk. And same process, we're gonna blend it. There you go, our dime bar is ready. Put it in the glass. Guys, there you go. You've got yourself a dime bar milkshake. Cheers. Okay, so our next one is gonna be a Bounty milkshake. So I'm gonna use 2 of these. Okay, so I got my Bounty in. So now I'm gonna add my ice cream inside. I'm gonna put 3 large spoon of ice cream inside, and our milk. I'm not gonna use that much milk because I don't want it to be running. Right, and now we're gonna. Okay, guys, now we've got our Bounty. Let's see. Ooh, this is perfect. By the way, you can do with cream or you can do without cream. It's up to you. I love cream, so I'm gonna use cream on all of my milkshake. There you go. Another one. Bounty milkshake. Cheers. Our next milkshake is gonna be Malteser. Well, I'm just gonna use half of it. Just break it. So yeah, guys, we've got Malteser in. You know the drill. I'm gonna put 1 big spoon of ice cream inside, just because I've got Malteser ice cream. I don't know if a lot of you have come across this type of ice cream, and I'm gonna use some of this ice cream and mix it with the vanilla ice cream plus the Malteser plus the milk and blend it together. Let me show you guys how the Malteser ice cream is. Guys, this ice cream is so good. You don't understand. You need to find this. You need to get one of these. So I'm gonna use like 3 spoons of this Malteser ice cream. Now we're gonna add our milk. Not too much milk because we don't want it to be, well, I don't want it to be runny. So I'm gonna use this much milk. Actually, a bit more. Okay, just a Malteser milkshake. Alright guys, last but not the least, Oreo milkshake. Everyone's favorite. I saved the best for last. I'm not saying it's the best, but your best, not my best. So I'm going to use about 7. Okay, so let's get our ice cream in. Okay, our milk in. Not too much. So I've got myself an Oreo ice cream. This is optional. If you have Oreo ice cream, you can add it. But if you doesn't have Oreo ice cream, you can just use vanilla ice cream. So I'm going to use about 3 spoons of Oreo. Gonna blend everything together. Here we go. Oreo milkshake ready to go. You already know the drill. Guys, I'm in milkshake heaven today. Guys, these recipes are really easy. They're really simple. And another thing, you can combine 2 chocolates together. So let's say I like Dime Bar. I can literally combine Dime Bar and Oreo, blend it together, and I've got 1 milkshake. So I've got 2 flavors in 1 milkshake. That is something else you can try, combining 2 chocolates together and make 1 milkshake. Guys, heaven. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like my recipe, and feel free to try them. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know how your recipe come out. You already know the vibe. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll definitely see you on my next video.